I am from Gaugrass Maths. I am going to explain question number 1, Roman 3rd, exercise 6.4, chapter 6, application of derivative, subsection approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of under root 0.6 up to 3 places of decimal. Now come out to solution here. Solution implies that here you can see the given function under root 0.6. So here I shall write the given function, function under root 0.6 can be written as imply that under root 0.6 equal to 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2. Under root 0.6 can be written as 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2. Now here I shall write, let f of x equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2. Here you can see f of x is fixed here. Here x is also fixed, and here 1 over 2, the index I have taken same as this index 1 over 2. Here 1 over 2 will be the same index as 1 over 2 will be written here. Note that one. Now here I shall write differentiating f of x with respect to x. We shall get d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 2. Here again I shall write imply that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash x equal to, here f dash of x is the first order derivative of f of x. This one, d over dx of x raised to the power 1 over 2 can be written as 1 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2 minus 1. So here again I shall write imply that f dash of x equal to 1 over 2 x raised to the power minus 1 over 2 I shall write. Now again I shall write imply that f dash of x equal to 1 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2 will be written like this. Now next point I shall discuss here. Here you can see 0.6. I shall take the core value 0.6. I shall reflect 0.6 at this place. So here I shall write 0.6. Now this 0.6 will be reflected into two parts. First part I shall take here x, and second part I shall take x, and second part I shall take delta x. First part will be x, second part will be delta x. This means that 0.6 will be splitted into two parts. First part will be x, second part will be delta x. First part will be splitted into two parts. Now here 0.6 will be splitted into two parts. First part will be x, second part will be delta x. Now think over the value of x here. Think over the value of x here. So here I shall write, let x equal to 0.64 and delta x equal to minus 0.04. Now you can write here the question, from which source you have got the value of x equal to 0.64. From where you have got. So now here I shall explain. From this place I shall explain. 0.6, from the value 0.6, the value of x will be determined. Here the value of x I have taken 0.64 will be the whole square of a number. Think over. Here 0.6 is available. So here the digit before point is available 0. The 0 can't be altered, or can't be renamed with any other number. Now think over the digits after decimal. So after decimal, the digit is 6 available. The 6 can't be a whole square of any number. 0.6 can't be the whole square of any number. So here if you take 0.60, 0.60 will not be equal to the whole number, whole square, not whole number, whole square. Of a number. Zero point six zero will not be equal to whole square of any number. 0.60 किसी भी एक नंबर का होल स्क्वायर नहीं है. Here the value of x I shall take the whole square of a number. Now proceed next. If I write here 0.61, so again 0.61 is not the whole square of a number. Like that 0.62 also is not the whole square of a number. Like that 0.63 0.63 is also not the whole square of a number. कोई ऐसा नंबर बताओ जिसका होल स्क्वायर करने पे 0.61 आ जाए. तो देयर इज नो नंबर of which whole square will be equal to 0.61. Like this, there will not be a number of which the whole square will be equal to 0.62, and also there will not be a number the whole square of which is equal to 0.63. 1, 2, 3, 6, 6. Now think over this value. If I write here 0.64, 0.64 can be written as 0.8 का whole square, because here if you multiply 0.8 will multiply to 0.8, so we will get here 8 is 64, or here you shall kind after point the digits 1, 2, so here I shall put decimal of this one. So this result you have got. So here we have got 0.64 will be the whole square of 0.8. 0.8 का whole square comes out to be 0.64. This is the rough work. So here I shall write, hence implied that 0.64 is the whole square of 0.8. 0.8 का whole square will be the value 0.64. So now this value I shall take the value of x as 0.64. This value I shall take, this one. That's why the value of x will be 0.64. That the value of x equal to 0.64 is fixed here, because 0.64 equal to 0.8 का whole square. Here in this case you have not got. Now the value of x you have got this one. So here if you put implied that 0.64 equal to, no, here I shall write 0.6 equal to, the value of x I shall put here 0.64, or here write plus delta x. So what the value of delta x will be? So here we will get delta x is equal to 0.60 minus 0.64. This one you will get. So here we will get implied that delta x equal to, now do the operation. So do the operation, you will get here minus, which one is greater? Minus 0.6 will, minus 0.64 will be the greater value. The sign will be of 0.64. So here I shall write minus. Here we will get 0.04. The subject here 0.64 minus plus 0.60. We will get here 4, 0. This one. A sign will be of greater value minus. So this one you have got. So delta, the value of delta x I shall take minus 0.04. The value of delta x equal to minus 0.04. The value of x will be 0.64. This value you have to determine. This one can be written as in the rough work, and this one is valid. The value of this one you have got. Now what we will do next? Net I shall explain here. Just I am crossing. Here I shall explain this one. So what we'll do here? Look at here. Here I shall write formula. Formula is f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula I have used here. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula. Note that one. So here I shall write implied that put the value of x I shall write here 0.64. A value of delta x I shall write here minus 0.04 equal to the value of f of x I shall take from this place. So here I shall write x raised to the power 1 over 2 plus in place of delta x I shall write minus 0.04. So here write minus 0.04 dot. The value of f dash of x I shall take from this place. This value I shall put. So here write 1 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing I shall write. This can be written in bracket. Now what we'll do next? Here I shall write this value you will get. Here you can see 0.64 minus 0.04 comes out to be 0.6, written like this. And value of x I shall write from this place. Here you can see x is equal to 0.64. So here write the value of x 0.64 raised to the power 1 over 2. Here write minus this minus 0.04 will multiply to 1. So you will get here 0.04 will be written in bracket whole over I shall write 2 and in place of x I shall write 0.64 raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing we shall write. What to do? Here you can see f of 0.6. Here in place of x, I shall write 0.6. So here also you will get 0.6. So here you will get 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing will be written equal to. And this one will be open here curly bracket. Here 0.64 is the whole square of 0.8. So here I shall write 0.8 का whole square curly bracket close raised to the power 1 over 2. 0.8 का whole square comes out to be 0.64. और here again I shall write minus 0.04 whole over 2. Here open curly bracket. Here 0.64 can be written as 0.8 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2. This thing will be. So here you can see 2 will multiply to 1 over 2. You will get here 1. This one. So here this one will cancel out. Also this one will cancel out. So here you will get imply that 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2, here the value will get 0.8 minus here will get 0.04 whole over 2 multiplied to 0.8. This thing we will got. Now this value I shall explain at this place. So here I shall write 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2 equal to 0.8 minus 0.04 whole over, here 2 will multiply to 0.8. We will get here 1.6. 1.6. Now again I shall write here 0.6 raised to the power 1 over 2 can be written as under root 0.6 equal to 0.8. 0.8 can be written as 8 over 10 minus here you can see 1.6. After 6 you can add here 0. So here in numerator after decimal 2 digits are available. Here also in denominator after decimal 2 digits are available. This will be cancelled out. In other sense, multiply numerator as well as denominator by 100. So we will get here 4 over 160 you will get. This one you will get. Multiply 0.04 by 100, you will get here 4. And also multiply 0.60 by 100, you will get 160. After decimal, 2 digits are available in numerator and also in denominator after decimal 2 digits are available. You will get this value. So what we will do next? Next here I shall write implied that under root 0.6 equal to 8 over 10 minus here 4 and 160 will be cancelled out. So here you will get 1 over 40. This one you will get. Now again I shall write under root 0.6 equal to 8 over 10 minus 1 over 40. Take LCM of 10 and 40. You will get here 40. Here in denominator 10 will multiply by 4 in order to get 40. So 4 will multiply 8, we will get here 32. 32 minus 1 we shall get this one. So here I imply that under root 0.6 equal to 31 over 40. This will be the correct answer. Under root 0.6 equal to 31 over 40. 31 over 40. And now 31 over 40 will be divided. The 31 here I shall write divide 31 by 40. 31 will be divided by 40. So here you can see 31 can't divide by 31 can't be divided by 40. So put here 0. If you put here 0, so here you shall write point, before point I shall write 0. So 0 point I shall write. Now 310 can be easily divided by 40. It will go 7 times. So you will get here 280. Subtract this one, will get here 0, here will get 3. 300 will get again 47 ja 280. So here 280. So at this place you will get here 20. Here I 0. 5 times it will go. This one you have got. The correct answer you have got implied that under root 0.6. Now this is approximate. For approximate I shall write this one. This sign you know, sign of similarity. Sign of similarity माने लगभग की साइन है. ये साइन किसका है? लगभग का. सिमिलियरिटी के केस में ये साइन का समरूप जिसको बोलते हैं सिमिलियरिटी. तो लगभग जो है बराबर है अंडर रूट 0.6 लगभग बराबर है अंडर रूट 0.6 लगभग बराबर है 0.775. This will be the correct answer we have got. Answer implied that similarity sign approximate value will be 0.775 will be the correct answer you have got. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1, Roman 3rd, exercise 6.4 of chapter 6 application of derivative approximation NCERT 12 mathematics. This is the rough work you can do here, and also this is the rough work, this work, and this is the final. You can write this one. Now it is okay. After this one, write from this place. This is the proper explanation of question number 1. Okay, thanks.